Hi guys, I'm waddac2 from uklockspot.co.uk, and this is a video of picking another ICO or ICO 5-pin Euro cylinder, and it was one of the other locks that kind Jinx on our UK Lockspot forum sent me. So thank you so much again, my friend. It was quite dirty at the front, so I've bobbed a bit of brass on there just to try shine it up a bit, so hopefully you can see that light is bad in here where I'm doing the video. You can tell there's like a black line running around the edge, so I would think this was used on sort of the exterior part of a door. Decided to play with it today. It can be quite temperamental. I know ICOs or ICOs, whichever way, like I say, can be temperamental. I've had this open quickly, it's taken a long time, etc. But saying that, on camera it's going to take even longer. It does drop into a bit of a nice falset. And once you get that false set, if you just run your pick over the pins, it drops a tad more. So it dropped a little bit then. Let's start from the front instead of going right to the back. Still got bits of brass all over my fingers. It's dropped a little bit there, and just by running the pick over you can see the wrench moving a tad more. The front pin has jumped up again there, so trying to adjust for that. Nearly lost the pins there. Try to go over again. So a bit of luck. Go in a second. Well, hey, it's on camera live, so it's not going to. It's the nature of the beast, isn't it? Keeps dropping it, so I must be losing a few of the pins every now and again. Shit. There you go, broken peg.